Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic token. Now, Coinbase just bought about 25% of Terra Classic coin. This is amazing news. Imagine Coinbase coming in to list Terra Classic. Of course, we are going to expect an increase in price, an increase in market cap. Terra Classic will definitely increase. Well, to me, I think Coinbase buying 25% of Terra Classic LUNC coin is going to create a better impact for Terra Classic. Now, Coinbase have actually bought about $245 million LUNC, and on the 3rd of January, they will be announcing that publicly according to their internal source. And I believe that Coinbase can create an impact for Terra Classic coin. Now, Terra Classic, if they look at Coinbase and Binance, these are the two biggest crypto exchanges. Imagine Coinbase supporting Terra Classic massively, just like the way Binance have been doing. We are going to expect an increase in price. Terra Classic will definitely pump. Binance have been supporting this coin so greatly, and even Binance controls about 47% of Terra Classic volume. That is amazing to see, that Binance alone are controlling almost 50%. Now imagine Coinbase coming in, and Coinbase of course can also create a better impact for Terra Classic coin. And I believe that Coinbase will definitely help Terra Classic to hit an increase in price and also on burning. That is if they can come in to support Terra Classic by listing, or let me just put it the right way, relisting, because they've actually listed Terra Classic before they now remove Terra Classic due to the crash. And I believe of course this coin can stay pump. Let's keep open to see what will be happening in the coming months, and let's hope that Coinbase will definitely list Terra Classic coin. Remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.